Are you ready to print Solana on SolPump? Yo, what's good? Juicy fam! I'm JUICYFLIPS and today I'm gonna be playing with 3 Solana on SolPump, the best decentralized casino on Solana. No KYC required, you always keep custody of your funds and profits go straight to your wallet. There are different games like Crash, yo fam check, cooking! Some minutes ago, almost 17x, almost 90x, and the last one, 11x, crazy. Also, we have coin flip and blackjack. Quick reminder, not financial advice and play responsibly. Using the code JUICYFLIPS, you can receive up to 10 Solana for free every single day. Just like this guy called Same Day Sol, who won 10 Sol for free yesterday. Creating an account is very simple. Go to the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Connect your wallet to SolPump. Make sure to use my referral code JUICYFLIPS to open your daily case. Yeah, like write JUICYFLIPS and reading code. Have funds in your Solana wallets, and that's it. I stream every single day. And make sure you join to Juicy House, the best meme coin community ever. You have the links in the description. Wow, moreover, you are gonna receive free Solana just for playing. Every single hour you are gonna receive an airdrop. Besides, if you click here, SolPump, you are gonna receive also, just for playing on SolPump, free SolPump tokens. As you can see, I have received over 100 USD just for playing, so this is free money, fam. Alright, let's go, GC fam. Well, I'm gonna start betting 0.1 salami. Create flip. Let's fucking go against Dr. Solana. Cooking! Okay, 15 USD, yeah, 16. Let's go, claim winnings. Yes, sir. Well, I'm gonna create another one. And I'm gonna follow my strategy. The martingale. Let's fucking go. Yes, sir. Cooking. Another 16 USD. 30 USD in seconds. 3.2 salami. Well, let's play a little bit of blackjack. Well. I'm gonna bet 0.1. Yes. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna take a seat first. Well, I'm gonna wait the next one. Well, this guy 16, 20. Ooh, you are fucked. Sorry, broski. Well, 0.1. Yep. Let's go. Let's print Solana. Well, I have 5. I'm gonna hit, broskis. I'm gonna hit. Yeah, 15 stand. Give me my fucking money. Yes, sir. 16 USD. Oh my god, we are fucking printing. Well, I'm gonna bet a new one. In this case, yeah, 0.1. Let's do 0.1. Purple, call bot, and give me my fucking money, trader. Cooking. Yeah. Oh my god, until now, only winning. 16 USD. I'm gonna claim winnings. So 3.37 Solana in fucking seconds. Yo, super fast. GG, broskis. Remember to use the code JUICYFLIPS, join Juicy House, the free alpha Discord community, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what your strategy is. See you, legends!